Good morning students. In the last class we have learned the equivalent of a rational number and comparison of a rational number. I hope you all understood the last class. Today we are going to learn the exercise problems. Exercise 3.1. Already had completed the 7 problems. Now see the 8th problem. Write the first 4 the following. Write the first 4 the following is given. So first one, so equivalent ratios is given. Find the value of the W. That is the meaning. Okay. So first one, minus 2 by 3 is equal to 6 by W. 6 by W. 6 by W. So equal symbol. So equating this value. So what we do? Multiply the cross multiplication. Okay. So multiply minus 2W is equal to 3 into 6. So minus 2W is equal to 3 6 are 18. So W is equal to 18 divided by minus 2. 18 divided by minus 2. It cancel in the 2 table. 2 9s are 18. So answer is minus 9. Okay. And see the next one, B problem. 6 by minus 7 is equal to 42 by W. 42 by W. So it's also cross multiply. Equivalent rational numbers are given. Okay. So equal is given, equalating the rational numbers. So cross multiply. 6W is equal to 42 into minus 7. Okay. So 6. You can directly cancel. Okay. So is another one of the method. See, the equal symbol is given. You will cancel here multiple meaning. Is it 6 into multiple of W. Okay. So here we find out the value of W. You can simplify the 6 it directly. Okay. 6 ones are 6. 6 sevens are 42. Okay. So W is equal to minus into plus minus 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. So W is equal to minus 49. See the next one. C problem. 9 by minus 5 is equal to W by 25. Okay. Now equating, multiply these values. So here also we have directly cancel. Okay. After you will multiply. Solution. Listen. So here 5, here denominator is equal symbol is given. The numerator will be cancelled and denominator will be cancelled. Okay. So 9, here W, here minus 5, here 5. It's cancelled in 5 tables. So we have directly cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So another one of the method. Okay. You have follow any one of the method. This is also easiest one. Denominator. Equal symbol is given between of the two rational number. You equating the numerator and denominator also and cancelling the numerator and denominator. Okay. So minus 5. Numerator தான் என்ன செய்யணுமா cancel பண்ணணும். இதையும் இங்கே cancel பண்ணக்கூடாது. Okay. If this possible to the particular rational number will be simplified. That is the standard form you can do. But here to here not cancel. Okay. So 9, here minus 5 is cancelled. The denominator only, denominator cancelled. Okay. So minus 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 9 by minus 1 is equal to W by 5. W by 5. So cross multiply now. So 5 9s are 9 is equal to minus W. Okay. So 9 5s are 45 is equal to W. So W is equal to minus 45. Okay. So remaining D, E, F are homework. 10th one, write the next 2 rational number in each of the following. See the first one, A. minus 2 by 3, minus 4 by 6, minus 6 by 9, minus 8 by 12 is given. So next two numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even numbers. Here 3, 6, 9, 12. So multiple of 2 is in the numerator and multiple of 3 in the denominator. Okay. So what is the next of the multiple of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 10 and then minus 12. Multiple of 2. Okay. And then denominator multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. And then 15, 18. These are the answer for this problem. B1 is homework. See the 11th one. Arrange the following rational number in the ascending order. Ascending order. Okay. So first one. So denominator and numerator are different. Here you should find out the LCM. Okay. So LCM of 10, 15, 5, 6 is given. So 30 is it? Least common multiple is 30. So LCM of 5, 6, 10, 15 is 30. Okay. Already how do you find out the LCM? Common LCM method we have learned in the 6th standard, is it? You will put like this and find out this least common multiples. Okay. 5, 6, 5 2s are 3s are and then 2 table 1, 2 3s are 6, 3 and 3. So LCM of 5, 6, 10, 15 is equal to 5 into 2 into 3. So 10 3s are 30. Okay, this is the common LCM of LCM method. Common LCM method I have find out like this. Okay. After you will write in this place of 5, 6, 10 of 15 is 30. Okay. Right. Now 3 by 10. The numerator and denominator. Which number multiply we get the value of 30 in the denominator 3. The same number multiply the numerator also. So 3 3s are 9 by 10 and 3s are 30. Okay, and next one 6 by 15. 6 by 15. So which number multiply the numerator and denominator? 2. So 6 2s are 12 by 15 2s are 30. Okay. And next one of that minus 11 by 5 into which number multiply the denominator of 5? We get the value of 36. The same number multiply the numerator also. So minus 66 by 30. And next one 1 by 6 into which number multiply the denominator? We get the value of 30. 6 5s are 30. 6 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now which one is greatest value? Arrange in the ascending order. So smallest number to write in the smallest number to greatest number. Which one is smallest number here? This one. So 5 by 13. Smallest number. And next smallest number is 9 by 30. Is compared with this greatest value. Compare this one is less than which one? 12 by. Here minus value is given. So which one is very smallest value? So minus 66 by 30. Is it? Negative sign. So compare with the positive value is very very smallest value. So minus 66 by 30, 5 by 30 and 9 by 30 and then 12 by 30. that is, which is the original form of minus 66 by 30 minus 11 by 5 is less than 5 by 30 value was 1 by 6 less than 9 by 30 value was 3 by 10 and less than 6 by 15. This is the ascending order. Thus, ascending order minus 11 by 5 comma 1 by 6 comma 3 by 10 comma 6 by 15. Okay, I hope you all understood the ascending order, and the 12th problem also homework. Okay, now see the addition of rational number. Addition of rational number. Okay, here 4 types are there. Okay, now see the first case. First case 1. Okay, so already you know that the fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everyone you know. Okay, the same method we have applied. Okay, so first case 1, when a rational number have the same denominator. Same denominator is given. Okay, see the example. Add 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. So the denominator are same. What we do? Simple one. Both having the like fractions. Add the numerator and write the denominator. That's it. Okay. So solution 3 by 7 plus 5 by 7. The denominator are same. So add the numerator 3 by 5 by 3 plus 5 by 7. So 8 by 7. That's it. Okay. See the example. 12. Add minus 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. Simple. Okay. The solution minus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. The denominator are same. So add the numerator. Numerator, one of the value is minus 5 plus 5 minus 3 plus 5 by 8. Okay, so two different signs will come. What we do? Add and subtract and put the greater number sign. Subtract and put the greater number sign. So subtract minus 2 by 8. It cancel in 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 4. So minus 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay. The example 13. Add minus 5 by 7 and minus 2 by 7. Minus 2 by 7. So solution. So here also the denominator values are same. So add the numerators. Is it? Denominator values are minus 5 by 7 plus minus 2 by 7. It can write minus 5 plus minus 2 by 7. So now both having the same sign. So add and put the same sign. So add 5 plus to 7. The same sign is minus. So minus 7 by 7. So answer is minus 1. So minus 7 will be cancelled in the 7 table. So the answer is 1. Minus 1. And next one of the case 2. Case 2, when one denominator is a multiple of the other denominator. See the example. Add minus 7 by 26 and 6 by 13. See the case 2 when one denominator is multiple of the other. இதோடைய multiple வந்து இது அப்படிதானே 13 2s are 26. This is another one of the method. So as usual we have take the LCM of 26 and 13. So the LCM of 26 and 13 is 26. That is a multiple of the another denominator. So solution minus 7 by 26 plus 6 by 13 is equal to minus 7 by 26 multiple of 1 plus here 6 by 13 into 2. Here write LCM of 13 and 26 is 26. Okay. So minus 7 by 26 plus 6 2s are 12 by 26. Now the denominator are same, add the numerator. So minus 7 plus 12 by 26. So different sign, subtract and put the greater number sign. So 5 by 26. 5 by 26 is the answer. Okay. Now see the example 15. Find 3 by 5 plus minus 6 by 10. Here also multiple of 5. Is it multiple of 5 by 2 is 10. So here also LCM is 5 and 10 is 10. Okay. Solution three by 5. Which number multiply the denominator? We get the value of 10, 2. The same number multiply the numerator also. Plus minus 6 by 10. Here numerator multiplied by 1. So LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Okay, here write the question. So 3 2s are 6 by 10 plus minus 6 by 10. Now the denominator are same. Okay, denominator are same. The numerator add at 6 minus 6 by 10. The value is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, now see the example. 16. Find minus 5 by 6 plus minus 3 by 24. The solution minus 5 by 6 plus minus 3 by 24 is equal to 6 4s are. So 5 by 6 into 4, numerator and denominator multiplied by 4 plus minus 3 by 24, numerator and denominator multiplied by 1. Here LCM of 6 and 24 is 24. So minus 20 by 24 plus minus 3 by 24. Both having the numerator are same sign. Add and put the same sign. So minus 20 minus 3 by 24 is equal to minus 23 by 24. Minus 23 by 24. When the denominator are co-prime. Co-prime means the only one, the greatest common factor is 1. ஒரே ஒரு காமன் ஃபேக்டர் மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். அது என்ன மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும், ஒன் மட்டும் இருக்கும். அதுதான் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், கோ ப்ரைம்னு சொல்கிறோம். 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் நீங்கள் படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. ஓகேவாம்மா? ஸோ கோ ப்ரைம்னா என்னன்னு தெரியும், ஒன் அண்ட் இட் செல்ஃப். டிவைட் தி number 1 and itself, it's called the prime. Okay, and co-prime means the only one common factor is 1. அதுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு ஃபேக்டர் தான் இருக்கும், அது எதுவும் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும், ஒன்று மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும், வேறு எந்த ஃபேக்டரும் இருக்காது. ஓகேவா? இப்போ 13, 17 என்ன காமன் ஃபேக்டர் இருக்கும், ஒரே ஒரு ஒன்று மட்டும் தான் என்னது காமன் ஃபேக்டர். திஸ் ஆர் கால் தி co-prime. ஓகே, see அந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா எப்படி பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் 17. Find the sum of 1/7 and 1/5. 1/7 and 1/5. So solution, one by 7 plus 1/5. This is the only one common factor is 1. So we have multiple of 7, 5. LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. So here write LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. So here 7, which number multiply the numerator and denominator, we get the value of 35, denominator 5. The same number multiply the numerator also. So here 1/5, which number multiply the denominator, we get the value of 35, 7. Okay, so 5/35 plus 7/35. So now added the numerator, 5 plus 7/35. So 12/35 is the answer. Okay, this is one of the example. See the another one of the example of this type. Example 18. Find the sum of 3/11 and minus 5/13. Minus 5/13. So here also the only one common factor is 1 for 11 and 13. So the LCM of 11 and 13. Okay, solution, 3/11 plus minus 5/13 is equal to LCM of 11 and 13 is, what is the value of 11, 13 sir? 143. So here the numerator and denominator multiplicated by 13 plus minus 5/13 into 11/11. So 13 3s are 39 divided by 143 plus minus 55/143. The denominator are same and numerator will be added. So 39 minus 55/143. Now subtract this value, minus 16. Subtract and put the greater number sign as minus. So minus 16/143. This is the case 3 type of examples. Okay, now see the case 4. Case 4, when denominator having a common factor. When have a common factor. So the example 19. Next 3 by example 19, 3/14 plus 5/21. Okay, so solution, so 3/14. So here these are the common factors having, is it? These are the 7 tables. 7 2s are, here is a 7 3s are 21. These are the common factors having the 14 and 21. 14 and 21. So what is LCM of 14 and 21? We have considered which number? 42. Okay, so 14 3s are 42 and 21 and 2s are 42. So the 3 by 14 plus 5 by 21 is equal to LCM of 14 and 21 is 42. Okay, so 3 by 14, which number multiply? Denominator by 3. 14 3s are 42 plus 5 by 21. 21, which number multiply? We get the value of 42, 2. Okay, now numerators are multiplying. Okay, so what is the value? 3 3s are 9 by 42 and then 10 by 42. Add the numerator, 19 by 42. 19 by 42. That's all. Okay, now see the example 20. What is given? Find, add. 3 numbers are given. Okay, add minus 1 by 12, 3 by 8 and minus 5 by 6 is given. Okay, so how many numbers are given? 3 rational numbers are given. Find. Okay, so here also we have using the common factorization method. Okay ma, so solution, you have using the common LCM method, you have used and find out the LCM of these 3 values. Okay, so here 8 6 12 48 is it? 48 is a LCM of these 3 values. Okay, so minus 1 by 12 plus 3 by 8 plus minus 5 by 6. Here write LCM of 6 8. You have considered the least common multiplers, we will write directly, is it? So 6 8s are 48. Okay, and 12 4s are 48 is 48. So write minus 1 by 12, which number multiply the denominator? 4. That number also multiply the numerator. And then 3 by 8. 8, which number multiply? We get the value of 48 6 times. 8 6 are 48. That number numerator also multiply. And then plus minus 5 by 6. Numerator and denominator multiplied by 8. Okay, now multiply. Minus 4 by 48, 3 6 are 18, 18 by 48 plus minus 5 8s are 40 by 48. These two are the like terms, so add and put the same sign. So minus 44 by 48 plus 18 by 48. Okay, so now add the denominator are same, added the numerator minus 44 plus 18 by 48. Subtract and put the greater number sign. So greater number sign is minus. So 44 minus 18. 44 minus 18. What is the value? 6 26. So minus 26 by 48. It cancel in the 2 table. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, divided by 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So answer is minus 13 by 24. Minus 13 by 24. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept of 3 cases of addition of rational numbers. Okay, and if you have any doubt, ask to me, I will clear with you. Thank you, students.